Hello guys, Joe with BitRaged. So as Bitcoin drops here, a lot of people are comparing this drop here to the one we're seeing here. And there's a couple things that you should be aware of when you're comparing these two, because they are forming differently, and that's what I want to talk to you guys about today. When we came down in February, in the beginning of February, this reversal zone is what caught us. The wick dropped all the way to here, 6,000, right about 6,000 down to support here. But it is this reversal zone right here that caught us. And that's important. If we pass this reversal zone today and we make a close past it, well, then that becomes irrelevant and you look for the next reversal zone. So coming down, you really only have one option, right? So you have right about 6,000 to 5,500, right around in that area. That is going to be the next area of support to repel the price, to catch the price and repel it back up. And so that's where we're looking. It's possible that we could bounce back up here and make a close in this reversal zone, and that would make this valid again. But if we do drop below it, make a daily close below it, and make a similar candle like this, we're looking to invalidate this reversal zone here. There is nothing from 6,800 to 6,000. There's nothing there. And we know that 6,000 holds really well. Just looking at what happened in February, looking back here, it holds really well. So we know that's going to be major support at 6,000, and we know that 5,500, that is going to be major support as well. So that is where we're watching. Should the price close below this reversal zone, which it really looks like it's going to. You also want to consider RSI. So we got oversold here on the RSI. Just a little bit, price rebounded. We're entering oversold now. Like, we're right on the edge of oversold. So breaking into oversold should be another indication that the price is going to turn around and repel upwards. Because Bitcoin has never historically stayed oversold for too long. I mean, you just look at the past here. Got oversold, jumped back up, touched oversold, jumped back up. Just historically, Bitcoin cannot stay oversold or overbought for too long. Obviously, we were overbought for quite a period of time in here, just this ridiculous run up. But just looking at what happened in the past, Bitcoin doesn't stay oversold for too long. And so if we do enter oversold, we're looking to reverse the price. And we could enter this reversal zone, enter oversold at that time, which would be another confirmation that this would be valid. So if you look on a Coinbase chart and you use just a regular moving average, you don't use an exponential moving average, the death cross is happening right now. And a lot of people are freaking out about that. There's a big debate about whether a regular moving average or an exponential moving average, which one to use. Generally speaking, traders will use an exponential moving average over a simple moving average or a smoothed moving average, simply because an exponential puts more weight on recent price movements. So on the EMA, it hasn't happened yet. But I wouldn't get too caught up in this. A lot of people are worried about it, and you should be aware of it. But it's not the only factor that controls price. It's not the only factor that determines where we're going to go. So that's our price target and the two reversal zones that we're working with right now. Now, if we do catch even at 6,900, or if we catch down here and build support here, that does not mean that we're going to all-time highs again. That doesn't mean we're going completely off the charts bullish. It simply means we built support and we're going to make a run. The market determines how far that run goes. And so even if we do catch support, you still have to be aware of what's going on in the market and watch serious resistance on the way up. But those are some pretty serious reversal zones, support zones that we want to watch. So a couple of you have asked if we have posted any ideas on TradingView, and we haven't posted any official ideas for our account on TradingView, but I will go ahead and post this idea here on TradingView. I'll leave a link in the description. You want to go check it out, you want to interact with the chart, you want to look at what I'm looking at. So I'll go ahead and do that. Maybe I'll add a little more to it, and I'll leave that in the description if you want to see exactly what I'm looking at. Other than that, we're just looking to hold one of two reversal zones. Either we're going to hold this one here, or we're going to drop and hold this one here. And it's really that simple. We have two options at this point, and if we don't hold either of them, we could blow right past both of them. That's extremely unlikely, but it is a possibility, and that's why we draw this out. That's not why we don't just make, random trades. We actually look at what the market's doing, and we trade accordingly. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.